Hey, what's up, everybody? I wanted to do a video today on camper shell lock replacements. I haven't really seen too many on those. If you got a snug top, a leer, whatever, it's all the same process. They're all pretty much the same locks on these, the same mechanisms. Let me show you what you got to do on these. I have a snug top. So what it is you take this flat head off here, take this piece right here, take it off the shaft, and then you unscrew that one, and then you pull this out, and then you insert the new one, screw it on, put this back on, screw that back on, and you're good to go. Basic tools on that, you just use a flathead and a Phillips, and that's about it. I'm going to be using a drill just to make it a little bit faster. Just, get it done in a couple minutes. I bought the set on eBay for like, I want to say 14, 15 bucks for the set. Comes with a new set of keys and everything. Check it out. So it comes, packaged pretty good. I haven't opened it yet. These are all brand new. See, you get brand new set. Nice and new. Nice and shiny. And you get your new set of keys. And I'm not too sure. I'll try it right now. I'm not sure if this set of keys is one key for both, or you have to have two separate keys, one for each lock. I hope not, but who knows. I hope it's the same key. Come on, let's see. So, I'll try this one here. Locked it. Unlocked it. Locked it. Alright. So it worked for that one, but I mean that's the key for that one. Oh, sweet. So it is. It's one key for both, and each one of these has a set. So you get 4 keys for the set, which is pretty cool. I mean, what if you break it, lose it, or whatever. But yeah, man, it's awesome. I like that you get one key for both of them. It's more convenient that way, you don't have to worry about, oh, which key is it, fumbling around with keys and whatnot. So that's pretty cool. Making a mess. So let's do this real quick. Ooh, that doesn't work. You don't have to take it out all the way, because see, it just sits in there, comes out of the bottom, and that's what it holds on to. And that's it. Alright, sorry about that. I had a bit of an issue. There was a gunshots a couple blocks away, and I'm in the garage, and the wife got a little scared, so that's why I had to answer the phone. But anyways, here's the new part. Here's the backing. Make sure you don't throw this away with the new piece or with the old piece, because they don't come with it, and they don't come with the screws either. You got to keep the old screws, and you got to keep the old backing. The weird thing is, that's square and that's round, but it still fits on there. So it still goes on there. So, because it's got to turn when it goes through there. So that's that. I'm gonna go and put this back on. How does this go? Okay, so straight up. All right, cool. I had to figure out which way they're turned. Right. Put this back on. Okay. Now, we put this piece back on. Forgot to measure how far down it goes, because that's one thing you gotta do. You gotta measure how far down it goes, so that way, when it locks in here, you know, because it goes back here. Yeah, right here. It goes, dang it, I can't see what I'm doing. It goes right here. It goes in this area right here, so you have to make sure you measure it properly. Horrible camera work. It's been a while since I've done videos. Again, forgot to measure it. So let's see. One. Okay. That's pretty cool. Here we go. The length of that. Right about there. And I mean, you can always readjust it too. Oh, wrong way. Okay, so now great. I should have thought about that. Lesson. Always make sure you get the turn right on the right side. So right there. So that means when it's locked, it's going to be in the straight position this way, and when it's unlocked, let me see, how's that going to go? Yeah, so when it's unlocked, the actual handle is going to be in the straight position, and when it's locked, it's going to be in the up and down position. It's a little different, I guess. Ow. Ooh, that holds pretty good. Now let's jump on the other side real quick. Bring our part. And turn you guys that way. Got a bunch of stuff on the top. Dang it, this one's not gonna work with the drill. Which is okay. They don't always have to. You get a screwdriver. And you can use a socket on them as well. Oh, whew. Look at that. Bent my nail back. Well, let's use a socket. Oh man, look at that guy. Crazy, huh? Well, while I look for a socket, I'm gonna cut you guys off real quick. Okay, so I know I said I was gonna cut you guys back on and show you the other side, but I just finished it up. Look at my finger now. Jacked it up pretty good. Oh well, it's worth it. So let me show you how these are. See, you got that. See, not a whole lot of movement, not a whole lot of shaking. And that's it. Nice and tight on it. I love it. I love it. All right, well, I'm gonna do a couple more videos. Wow, on the truck. This is the '89 Toyota. It's basically the project, the toy, the Lolo, whatever you want to call it, whatever it is. But I'm gonna do some more projects and some more videos on this one. I'll put them all together and start putting them out. All right. Well, you guys have a good one. Keep going.